gabay, gugman Ginoo nagtugway, hapaglakat hakapawa han iya katawhan, pagbagohan dagwayhan katilingban.
Isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid kay Kristo sa Diocese ng Borongan. It is with great joy that I express my union in prayers and thanksgiving with you as you celebrate 50 years of your life as a local church, as a diocese. Much as I would have wanted to join you in your celebration, as I know this is a once-in-a-lifetime event, I could not, however, because I will be by this time in Malaybalay, Bukidnon, together with several youth ministers from all over the Philippines gathered for their national convention. Anyway, I am glad that I have this opportunity to share my greetings with you. Ito pong panahon na ito ay una sa lahat, isang paglilingon para muling makilala natin, tanggapin at ipagpasalamat ang mga kaloob ng Panginoon sa ating buhay bilang simbahan niya. I am sure that as you look back, you will acknowledge, as you have already acknowledged, the many blessings, personal, familial, and community that the Lord has showered upon you through the years as a local church. I am sure that you have gained much from these blessings, establishing communities, responding to various situations of need and concerns of your local church, so that you may be able to proclaim the good news and transform life as you should with the blessings of the Spirit that only He can help you realize your dreams. But also at the same time, there is much more to do, a lot more to establish, concerns to address, problems to solve, and the need to continue to journey towards the fullness of the kingdom. It will always be there. And so with the able leadership of your bishop, Bishop Crispin Varquez, and the collaboration of your priests and your lay leaders, may you all journey together. May this time of blessing be a source of inspiration once again as you journey forward. May the Lord bless you all. Maligayang pagdiriwang po ng inyong Golden Jubilee as a diocese.
Kalimaan katuig nga ang naglabay, aton yubileo kikamaglipay, duyog mga panganguyo, Handiren Maria, kantahon taan pagdayaw haiya. Paglakad o pagbago, itahan Ginoo, hinigog man niya nga mga tawo. Ansala o karag-an aton na bayaan, pulunghan Ginoo aton pagsundan.
I would like to express my congratulations and best wishes to the Diocese of Borongan on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of its foundation as a diocese. Ang buhay ng diocese ay nakasalalay sa mga gumagawa nito, sa mga nagpapatakbo nito. Kaya ho, ang aking panalangin ay sana ang nagpapagalaw sa Diocese of Borongan ay magkaisa sa kanilang pagtutulungan para sa kabutihan ng sosyedad at ng simbahan. Binabati ko muli ang Diocese of Borongan till the next 25 or 50 years.
Kalimaan katuig na ang maglabay, waray sukol ka ng Diyos, kamaubay. Kitan mga estehanon, yan na nagkakanta. Salamat o Diyos, hani mo gugma. Paglakat o pagbago, itahan Ginoo, hinigugma niya nga mga tao. Ang sala o karatan aton nabayaan, pulonghan Ginoo aton pagsundan. Paglakat o pagbago, itahan Ginoo, hinigugma niya nga mga tao.
I take this occasion in order to greet, of course, His Excellency Bishop Crispin Vargas, the Bishop of Borongan, and all the priests, religious, the lay people, the entire Diocese of Borongan, the local church there in Eastern Samar. We greet you because we want to take stock of what you've accomplished, what God has given you in the last 50 years as a diocese, as a local church. So much has been accomplished. So many vocations, so many parishes, schools, children attended to, lay people formed and taught. All these are graces from God. We want to greet you, Your Excellency Bishop Vargas, and all the people in that part of Eastern Samar. This is a great gift given to you and to the people in your local church. That we join you in thanking God for this great gift of being a local church there in that part of the island of Samar. To you and to the people, both our joy, our felicitations and greetings, but also our prayer for you, that you may, in the near future and beyond, still grow and matured, not only in numbers, but also in the depth of your Christian values, Catholicism, and the evangelization that you sustain in that part of the country. To you, daghang salamat kayo, and the blessing of the Lord for all of you.
Ang sala o karatan aton nabayaan, dalanhan Ginoo aton pagsundan. Dalanhan Ginoo aton pagsundan.